Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, unable to log into Fortnite servers, please try again later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Epic Games Launcher, you're going to go into your Epic Games settings, and then you're going to make sure that it is fully up to date, so just update it and then scroll down here, find Fortnite on here. I'm going to use GTA as an example. Make sure to tick both of these options and then write -limit client ticks. So just write this whole text on Fortnite. And after that, you're going to close the settings. You're going to close Epic Games Launcher up. You're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here internet options. You're going to go into connections. You're going to go into LAN settings. And here you're going to make sure automatically detect settings is turned on, and to untick proxy server. So just untick this option, tick that option, click OK, open up the start menu again, write view network connections, select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. Just click on it, click change settings, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, going to use the following DNS server addresses, right here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS, right here 8.8.4.4, click OK again. Disable your network device, wait 15 to 20 seconds, and after that, enable it again. And now you can go ahead and play Fortnite and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.